Today I want to talk about my favorite subject in the world, SEO, talking specifically about my book, Honest SEO, where we've been reviewing each chapter and talking specifically about some of the things that you can learn from each chapter. The book is called Honest SEO. It says demystifying the Google algorithm to help you get more traffic and revenue. And that is truly my goal. My agency does this for businesses all over the country. And so I wanted to take a lot of the insights that we use and compact it all into a book. And so this is it. So chapter 12 we're talking about today, and this is called the importance of photos and videos into your strategy. A lot of times photos and videos are kind of like not really thought as an SEO strategy. And it's kind of like an afterthought. But, I wanted to kind of highlight the importance of it and talk a little bit about like how Google sees and treats photos and videos, how to leverage the images on your website, how to make sure that you're choosing the right images. A lot of times people make the mistake of just kind of taking a Shutterstock image and just kind of publishing it with Shutterstock 26455.jpg, and how that negatively affects your strategy. Then it talks a little bit about how you should basically optimize the images and making sure that they're not like super high res because that slows things down. How to create a better user experience. Talking about even the video, right? This is one of the most critical mistakes I think people make is where they embed YouTube videos on pages. You work so hard to get people to your website. Next thing you know, they're there and they click over to YouTube, and next thing you know, they're on YouTube watching their favorite Taylor Swift video. So you want to be careful of that. And so there's other solutions there. Talking about applying video schema markup and some of the things that you can do there to kind of highlight that this is a video with a video title, description, thumbnail, image, transcript. And so that's basically the chapter here. And so if this is something that seems important to you, I definitely recommend you pick up the book, Honest SEO, on Amazon, and we'll include a link below.